Future plan. What our study would look like. We would need 20 college males and 20 college females for 1 month to participate. 10 of each gender would be put into the control group, and the other 10 from each gender would then participate in the fasting. The time restriction would be from 12 p.m. to 7 p.m. Between those times, the participants can eat their meals, but after those times, they will not be allowed to eat. The control group will be allowed to eat whatever they want at any time in the day. The purpose of our study would be to introduce this type of fasting to people who don't know what it is and to see if it would be something that they would want to do, more than just a study. Methods. Male and female college students fast for 1 month while still training. Keep track using the MyFitnessPal app. Works cited for Article 1, 2, 3, and 4.